Blended learning is a 21st century way for you to meet your legal requirements under the Health and Safety First Aid at Work Act. In response to popular demand to offer more flexibility in our courses, we have developed a groundbreaking blended learning package. Take part of your training online, reducing the amount of time in the classroom so you can study first aid theory at your own pace. In line with health and safety requirements, you will then cover life-saving practical skills with one of our excellent trainers in the classroom before taking your final assessments to become a qualified first aider. As a first aid training provider, we have created this e-learning package in line with our exceptional face-to-face training standards. Forget any e-learning you've ever done before. Our blended learning has fully interactive study with ultra-high quality videos, immersive activities, interactive quizzes, and voiceovers throughout. Cover theory at your own pace, at a time and on a device of your choice. Enjoy a flexible approach to training, with fewer days away from the workplace. Complete the e-learning in small chunks around other work. Access and recap the e-learning topics as much as you need, even after completing the course. And keep COVID safe by reducing travelling. Our blended learning is fully accredited by QualSafe Awards, the largest first aid awarding organisation in the UK. Try our amazing blended learning today.